Have you ever had a dream to do something unusual?
Holy shit!
It's not how you thought it would turn out. This is actually the first time I've been creeped out.
I lost my wallet.
This was my dream. Welcome to my van vlog.
Oh my god. Fucking right here. Dude, this is the best car park I've ever had. There are so many. Can you see them? What are they? Okay, time to go. Oh, there's a car down there. Dude. I'm like trying to figure out what I'm going to do next, whether I'm going to head for Mount Kosciuszko or go to some place like Harrietville I've heard of, so I might check that out. I might actually stay there. I'm driving along and I'm like, I'm tired. Is this what being 30's like? So I'm about to go have a nap. I'm having one of those moments right now where it's like I need to find somewhere to stay and I don't want to keep spending money, so I have to find somewhere free.
It was at this point that I thought, damn, I really should have stayed where I was.
I know, I just felt like there's no place for me. So I'm driving to Mount Kosciuszko. I stayed at Smoko last night. It was a good little campsite. I met a cute older couple that I had a little chat with. They were very impressed with my van, and so I felt really good about it. I have an hour and 48 minutes until I get to Mount Kosciuszko. You can barely see her, but there she is. Mount Kosciuszko. Look at the little babies. Look at them. Oh, scratchy little butthole. That's it. Yes, licky little butthole. So I just found this little place. It's very cute. And, oh, I should probably shut my door. Hey. There's a little trail. Who knows where it goes? But there's a stream down here. Oh my god, it's curved. So curved. Oh, fuck, that's good. Wow! I was really on the fence about whether to push on or to stay here, but this is free. This right here is free. And there's toilets, so even though it's 4:20 and I've already had a nap today, I think I'm just gonna stay here. I might go for a walk along this path. So the thing that sucks most about solo traveling is having to make all the right decisions, you know? Because there's so many. There's so many little ones. Do you hear that lovely sound of construction? I'm like, do I stay and hope that they go? I'm not even close to Mount Kosciuszko. And at this point I'm like, should I be bothered even hiking it? Because I don't have a hat. And I know for a fact from doing it previously that there's no trees up there. And I have no service. I think that's the biggest one at the moment, is not having any service. I can't even ask maps to tell me to go to the next place. What do? Do I just go for a dip now here and keep going and hope that I find somewhere just as good to stay? Maybe I'll just swim. Morning.
Do you want to say hi to the neighbours? Hello, neighbours. Oh, it's okay. Oh, she with the baby. Oops. I did my nails last night. And my toenails. Why is it so zoomed in? Whoa. Skippy. Scratchy balls. Hey. Hey, Skippy. I don't think I'm gonna hike Mount Kosciuszko. I've been really enjoying being in these forest areas and walking through here. And I know that Mount Kosciuszko, most of it is just grass and stuff. I don't think I'm going to be missing much. Also, been there, done that. I've got enough food to last me another night, so we'll see where I end up. I might end up in a town, I might not. This is Leather Barrel Campground. I'm just going to make some breakfast here. This is so good. Welcome to my cooking show. My name's Paige. I'll be your host today. I'm gonna get your cooker out. Bam! Your frying pan. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure your gas bottle is lined up with the red thing, and then clip it in. I said, oh, like so. Chuck it on a medium heat. Okay. Now you get that lovely coconut rice you made about 3 or 4 days ago, and you chuck it in there. It would be cool to have a little brown crisp on the bottom of my rice. Oh my god, what is that? Oof. That's some chicken. Now I'm just going to do a flip here. Now, you can tell there's some juice in the pan from the chicken, so I'm just going to put my rice in it and really get all of that in there. I'm just going to get the salad going. You just really want to dump it in there. Crunch minis. So I'll put in the fridge. Plop it on the plate like so. Got a bit of browning, which is lovely. And the rice. There's a bit of browning too, so I'm just gonna dump that in there. Now to top it off, I'm just gonna get a little bit of lime and just put it right over the rice and the chicken. And voila! Breakfast. You know when food's so good you want to dance? Is that just me? Wait inside! I just went through, I think it was Kooumba or something. Something like that. I went to Maccadee's and I got a free cheese. Just a hamburger, just a free hamburger, and I shat in the toilet. So, I am currently on the way to Canberra. I've just pre-booked a caravan site because I'm in desperate need of a washing machine. Well, I'm at the campsite. I mean, the caravan park. So I'm about to go do my washing, my towels. Better lock the car. At the other place, they charged me $56, not $55 like here. Yes, they had a pool and stuff, but this is free. I can wash and dry. I can do it with my clothes. Never mind, I'm a dumb bum. Pay here. Very nice. Feeling so good before, and now I've got a headache. I feel like tired again. I think it's because I have a sore neck from driving for so long. I think I've done the biggest drive today than I have since when I was first having headaches, so I feel like that might be the reason. Anyway, now I'm gonna have a shower, and I hope that that will help. I'm in the Canberra Library, and I can't bring my backpack in because people steal shit, so I have to take out all my laptop and stuff, and then carry it around like a fuckwit, which is fine. My goal is to get a lot of editing done while I'm here, but I also want to explore around, so it's like, I'm just glad I brought my pants with the big pockets. I found a nice little spot by the window, and I was working away, but I could like hear music. I'm like, where the fuck is this music coming from? And then I came outside and what is it? I have to go down. I just have to. It's a paid event. Apparently you pay and then all your food is free. But that's okay. I can hear the music from the library, so it's fine. Are these the 7 layers of hell? This is so cool. I don't really know where I am, but it's pretty cool. It's a little lizard. Come here, lizard. Come here, lizard. Oh no. Fuck me. There's a cafe too. I'm in the botanical and I'm looking for a place to do a fat shit. But I don't see any toilets anywhere. This looks like a good spot. No one around. Could just go over in the bushes like I normally do when I'm out in the wilderness. Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous. She devil, she bad little bitch, she rebel. She put her foot to the pedal, take all life for me to settle. She devil. Don't wanna be all by myself. No, I'm having a great time actually. There's actually a sunset cinema I'm gonna go to tonight. Oh my god, is that toilets? Oh my god, oh my god, please. What's this? Visitor center? Surely there's a shitter in there. Oh, thank God. That was really funny. I had to poop so bad, but then I couldn't when I got in there. And then a lady came in after me and she went to the toilet. And then obviously she was trying to poop and she couldn't. And then I walked out after giving up after a while, and her partner was on his phone. Oh my god, I never fell down the stairs. Her partner was on the phone, texting or whatever, and then as I walked out, he didn't look up and he just started walking next to me. And then it was like an awkward moment. It was so funny. So I still haven't pooped. And now I feel weird. I had a really good day today in Canberra, surprisingly. Even though I was complaining a lot and didn't know where I was going. You know what? Even though I can hear the traffic, I think I found a good little spot. There's a guy over there though. Shh. It is really nice to lay down. I bought something today while I was at the shops. It combines the two greatest things Australians love: travelling and scratchy tickets. So I've put down some places I've already been, like Adelaide, for example, and we did the York. Me and Timmy have done the Great Ocean Road. So we went from Murray Bridge to Pinaroo, yep, got to here, followed the coast, there's a Chuka, then we went down to Bendigo, and then we went back up to Shepparton, right, yep, went down to Mount Beauty, then we came up to Canberra, and that's where we are right now. Dude, I'm hearing so many fucking noises. I know you can't see shit because of the fucking... Oh, that's slightly better. There's so many noises. This is actually the first time I've been creeped out. It's because it's so hot I can't shut the back. So my door's like open. I've got the bug netting on. But it's like... sounds like footsteps, but I think it's just stuff falling out of the trees. But then I thought I heard footsteps over there. And if it was an animal, you'd see the glowing eyes. It just creeped me out a bit, you know? And I know I'm fine. But it's still creepy. Ooh. Can you hear that? It's like rustling bushes. All the way over there. If you were somewhere creepy like I am tonight, would you be more scared of being brutally attacked, raped, and left for dead? Probably never to recover again? Or more scared to be murdered? Also brutally, I assume, but straight up killed. Leave a comment down below. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. And I was standing in the doorway with my pants down and a moth just like flew onto my back and I'm just like